In this video you will see the most unexpected moments at the Rubik's Cube solve competition. Prank in the final of the championship. The guy took out the crossbar from the cube to make the cube explode during turning. And here the same guy put a mechanically disassembled cube in the final of the championship.
Никит, задача проста. Запускаешь старт и собрать его механически. 3, 2, 1. Подержи.
Here the world champion Max Park was brought the already solved cube. This guy set a world record for solving a 3x3 cube. And in the next round, another guy breaks his record. The guy was going for a world record and the cube exploded right in his hands.